In this video, I am going to tell you that how can you check what's new in your current iOS update. First, you have to check your current update, go to Settings, then open General, tap on Software Update, and check what's your update. You can see it's iOS 18.5 on my device. Now you have to go back to App Library. Here, Search Tips. Open this app. If you are opening this app for first time, then you will see what's new in iOS 18 option here. But after that, you will see a big banner like this for your new features of iOS 18. Open it and here. Check all the features, style your apps, customize lock screen, swap apps, app lock and hide. And some other new features are mentioned here, and also a guide to use these new iOS things, so you can simply follow this method to check what's new in your current iOS. Even you are in older iOS update or newer. It doesn't matter. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.